Hello. As you remember in the last video, we tried to catch a big snake in the pond near our house.
Get away from it, boy.
And we failed. But check this out to see the rest of the story. We're ready to continue. First, I had to maneuver myself on the steep, jagged rocks surrounding the pond.
This is when it gets exciting, boys and girls.
And right on cue, there he was.
Net, please.
He was very elusive. The net was not working. I decided to stalk him on foot and grab him with my bare hands. Oh my gosh, at last. What a beauty. So cool. Snakes are always awesome. Now that the hunt is over, we can return the snake to the wild where it belongs.
Nathan.